Have you ever felt stuck, even when life feels safe and easy? You wake up, follow the same routine, and never feel fully alive. That's the comfort zone, a silent trap that disguises itself as peace. It's where growth dies slowly while fear wears a mask of safety. Inside this zone, everything is predictable, but nothing truly changes. You might avoid failure, but you also avoid progress. The longer you stay, the harder it becomes to leave. Why do we cling to comfort when it steals our potential? Because our brains crave certainty more than success. They fear risk, embarrassment, rejection, so we stay in the same place. But here's the truth. Nothing extraordinary ever happens in comfort. The great inventors, leaders, artists, they all stepped into the unknown. They failed, struggled, fell, but they moved. And that movement, no matter how small, created transformation. Growth only begins where comfort ends.
Now, let's be real. Destroying your comfort zone doesn't mean chaos. It means choosing discomfort that brings purpose. It's speaking up when silence feels safer. It's taking a chance when fear whispers, stay. It's learning a skill that terrifies you, or starting over when it hurts. Each time you step into discomfort, your comfort zone expands. What once scared you becomes your new normal. That's how confidence is built, through discomfort, not through ease. Staying comfortable may feel good for now, but it has a price. Years from now, regret might hit harder than any temporary fear. You'll wonder how much you could have done, learned, or become. So choose the path that stretches you. Train your mind to find strength in struggle. Make discomfort your teacher, not your enemy. Because the life you dream of, it's not waiting inside your comfort zone. It's standing just outside of it, asking if you're ready. So now, here's the real question. What's one small discomfort you can choose today that your future self will thank you for?